Hi everyone, Mr. Peabody here, and I bet you're going to wonder where I'm going with this video. These are pictures of Scott Morrison. This is the Prime Minister of Australia. Alright, now he got to power due to a coup which ousted our last Prime Minister, and he actually happened to be in the top job when we had an election, so he stayed as the Prime Minister. Is he doing a good job? Not so much. Not so much. When we had the bushfires and Australia was in crisis, he went to Hawaii on holiday. And then he realised his guff, and so he came back. And when he came back, people said, basically, fuck off. We don't want you. And that's basically the incentive of most Australians. It's like, we don't want him. Fuck him off, get someone else. Get someone who does the right job. Because I'm not a sporting person, but when you drop the ball, what do? You pick it up and keep going. You don't fumble with it through your fingers, stumble with it on your toes, and kick it around the field so it's not going anywhere. You pick it up and keep going. Scott Morrison, he drops the ball, it fumbles through his fingers, and he clumsily kicks it around the field so it doesn't go anywhere. That's what Scott Morrison is. An idiot. And the latest thing was a minister resigned. Why? Because she allocated funds to something that shouldn't have been allocated funds, that she was a part of. Personal benefit? Probably not so much, but I think there was a definite sway there as to getting votes for the last election. So, impropriety, yes. Now that impropriety actually goes all the way to Scott Morrison. And he's cutting ties. He's saying, oh, she was a great person and I'll accept her resignation and she did a great job and maybe what she did wasn't all that great, but let's put that under the carpet and pull the carpet over it so there's just a lump in the middle of the carpet. No, this is not going away because a lot of Australians remember what you did, Scott Morrison, when you went away on holiday and we were in crisis. So I don't think you're going to be in power all that much longer because we don't want you there. We do not want you. So find someone who's better and hand it over because you're ridiculous, you're a blowhard, and you can go someone else.